Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com. JazTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online. If you want to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. And if you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazTime.com once in a while. Alright, so let's go ahead and review the watch I currently have in my hand here. This is the Rolex Datejust 41. The reference number for this model is the 126333. We'll be going over the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp. I will talk about the movement towards the end of the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into that dial. The dial just follows basic Datejust dial structure, which is index hour markers fashioned in 18 karat yellow gold, particularly for this model. We have the Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position, also fashioned in that 18 karat yellow gold, and along with the hands as well, you can see those luminous tips as well. The hour markers and the hour and minute hands are all luminous filled, meaning that they glow in the dark with a highly legible chroma light display with a long-lasting blue luminescence. We have the date window at the 3 o'clock position with a Cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal for magnification and easier viewing of that date. One thing to mention is that the dial color I have in my hand here is the black dial. Of course, you can always buy the Datejust in different dial color styles and also different style hour markers as well. So for the index hour markers, you can get it in the black as I have in my hand, silver, white, champagne, or champagne dial. If you're looking for a little more luxurious dial, a little more luxurious hour markers, you can buy them in diamond hour markers, and they can also be bought in the same colored dials, so champagne, black, silver, and white. There is a special dial style though, which is the only Roman numeral in the Datejust 41 line, is the green Roman numerals with a rhodium style colored dial color. And unfortunately, there's no Arabic numeral hour markers for this watch. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the bezel now. Bezel, very simple bezel. Nice, beautiful fluted 18 karat yellow gold bezel. As you can see, catches light in all different parts of the bezel very nicely. Moving on to the case now. As I've stated, the name of the watch is the Rolex Datejust 41. It is a 41 millimeter diameter watch. So from my index finger to my thumb here, that's 41 millimeters in diameter. The side profile, nicely high polished, matching with the sides of the bracelet as well. And again, nice high polish on the other side. The Rolex crown logo on the crown itself, and the crown being an 18 karat yellow gold crown. One thing to mention that this is a newer style updated Datejust from the Datejust 2. So it goes from the Datejust 2, which is a previous model, reference number 116333, to the Datejust 41, which I have now, which is 126333. They've actually just updated the bezel on the case. They made it a little bit slimmer than before, so it's not as bulky as the Datejust 2. And we have a full-on comparison of that on our YouTube channel if you want to go ahead and check that out. But we'll be moving on from here, so we'll go ahead and move on to the crown now. Crown, simple screw down, twin lock double waterproofness system, simply unwinds counterclockwise as shown. In a standard position, you can wind the watch 15 to 20 times is all you need to get the watch started once more from a dead stop. Pulling out the crown gently into the next position will allow you to adjust the date instantaneously as shown, going clockwise. And pulling the crown out to the final position will stop the seconds hand or the hack movement, as you see down here, and allow you to set the time however you like. The stopping of the seconds hands allows for precise time settings, such as to an atomic clock online. So you can set the time down to the exact seconds. Pressing your crown back in starts it once more, and always make sure to screw your crown nice and tight in against the case, as you want to keep this watch nice and protected from water, with a total water resistance of 100 meters or 330 feet. Moving on to the bracelet now. This is a Jubilee style bracelet. It's actually new to the Datejust line. The Datejust 2 originally did not come in the Jubilee style bracelet. It was only sold in the Oyster style bracelet, which is a more sportier bracelet. But now we have a more dressier bracelet, being the Jubilee style bracelet, nicely high polished down the center of the 5-piece links, contrasted by the satin finish on the outer of the 5-piece links. Nice 904L steel on the outer edges, as matching with the high polish on the lugs of the case. That 904 steel is an in-house made steel by Rolex. Has additional corrosion resistance and a nicer shine to it than standard industry steel. And we can see the high polish going straight down through the middle of the bracelet to the other side as well. Nice continuous pattern. However, the Jubilee bracelet is a newer styled Jubilee bracelet. Original Jubilee bracelets actually kept the same Jubilee pattern throughout the whole bracelet, and was only interrupted by the concealed folding crown clasp that it originally had. So you can only see the clasp based on this little crown logo on the bracelet itself as it continued that pattern. But now they decided to opt for a more sportier style clasp. So we have this oyster style folding clasp here that opens up as so to reveal these nicely high polished clasp blades with the Rolex name embossed on there. Okay, so it will show you that bracelet closed up and open once more. You can see nice curvature to fit very nicely on the wrist. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about the movement now. So the movement is housed in the simple oyster case backing. It's Rolex's updated movement. It's a 3235 in-house made movement. It's a professional mechanical self-winding movement. The movement that is updated from is the 3135, which is a typical sports piece movement from Rolex. Sports piece being like a Submariner, deep sea, just a very basic movement with a date complication. So that this movement has the functions of the center, hour, minute, and seconds hand, instantaneous changing of the date with rapid setting, and stopping of the seconds hand for precise time setting. The oscillator is a paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring, which adds resistance against the magnetism for the watch. But the update that they've done from the 3135 to the 3235 is that they added high performance paraflex shock absorbers, which is in-house made by Rolex. So now Rolex has their in-house made shock absorbers that they claim absorbs 50% more shocks than industry standard KIF shock absorbers. The power reserve of the watch is a 70-hour power reserve now, so up from that 48 from the Datejust 2, it is now a 70-hour power reserve, meaning you can put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Monday afternoon, and you'll be keeping time just fine. All right, let me go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist now. So locate that folding oyster, snap it on easily as so. As you can see, beautiful high polish on that, and gold really makes it shine in contrast to that satin finish sides of the links. But then you also have the nice high polish on the lugs of the case that sort of fits in with that nice 18 karat yellow gold fluted bezel that's also high polished as well. So it's just really an eye candy of a watch all around. So if you like this watch or any other, or looking to purchase this model or any similar models for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com. where the lowest price is guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.